Hey everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to change the style or font of bio. So let's begin. First of all, open your Instagram application. Now here on the bottom, click on this profile icon. Now you can see the edit profile option, click on it. Here there's the option of bio, select it. So there is no sort option from Instagram to change the style and font, but here I'm going to use a website. So now open your Google. Here search font generator. I'm using this font generator named QuickTools by PixArt. So here type the text or type the thing that you want to write in your bio. So after that, here you can select many of these styles of fonts that you want to keep. There are thousands and thousands of options. Here you can even see the categories. Select any one of it. So now it's copied to your clipboard. Now go back to your Instagram and directly paste it. So yes, the font is completely changed. Now tick mark this icon, and as you can see, the font of your bio has been changed. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this helps.